found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days
Alright, hello everyone, how are you doing? Alright, welcome back to my channel. So what have I been up to? I made myself my own glitter lava lamp. Well, it's not lava, so I've been just making my own glitter lamp. It's a knockoff version of a lava lamp. It's just with glitter instead of the lava. This has so much mental benefits. If your mind is always on the go, if you're always thinking, if it's chaotic, it's not organized, if it's always fast paced in your mind, or you're just always on the go, or you're always fast paced, this is great for you to slow down. So when you're looking at the glitter and you see it floating with the water and the glue, basically it's giving you that moment to slow down your mind and focus on the present moment. Meaning you're focusing on the glitter as it drops. You're not worrying about what's going on in your mind. And then once you do that, some tea. Alright, and we're good. Alright guys, as you can see, I have my DIY glitter lamp. I guess it's a knockoff version of a lava lamp. And this is very therapeutic. So this can help you slow your mind down. If your thinking pattern is very chaotic and is not organized, or it's just moving too fast and you want it to be still, when you shake this glitter and you're focusing on watching the glitter float, it's giving you that opportunity to focus on the glitter. So when you focus on the glitter, you're taking that attention off your mind, off your thoughts. You're not feeding your thoughts. You're not feeding your ego. It's not chaotic. It doesn't feel like there's just like a bunny running, continuously in the back. So this is very beneficial for your mental. And that's why I didn't make it because of that. But as I was making it, I realized this can definitely help you slow down. If you are always on the go, shake this bad boy. You will slow down. But that's all I wanted to share with you guys. That's what I did today. I made myself my own glitter lamp. It's pretty dope. Alright, so you guys enjoy the rest of your evening. I'm just gonna stare at this until I fall asleep. Yeah. Log on.